Hi, good evening. This is Sangeeta. I'm going to point out the mistakes what people do in .eLakshya file creation. The entries, the entry mistakes what people do. The first point is naming. The format should be first they should give his or her .eLakshya link, that is es22 e.es22.com slash s1 followed by his DDMMYY format, date of birth. Hyphen, after this link, hyphen, his name, hyphen, mobile number, hyphen, his stay of place, that is Bangalore, Chennai or something, B or C, hyphen, the date of creation of the file, hyphen, the person's ID, that is S2 NR or something like that. The second point is that people do not complete the entries. They leave it blank. After semicolon, they should complete the entries by adding zeros. How many zeros contain in that? The third mistake what people do is space between names. First name and last name. That is his initial and followed by his name. There should be space between those names, first and last name. Fourth thing is that unnecessary sheets. In the .eLakshya file, A sheet contains some unnecessary sheets. No, we should delete that sheets. Make a note of that. And the fifth point I need to mention is in any cell of row 2 to in any cell, that is row 2 to row 9, please check if there is any hash values displayed. If so, yeah, note that you all have made a wrong entry. Please check it out in that respective T's and make sure that hash values does not repeat once again. And the sixth point is if suppose father or mother has died, we should not make the entry as NA not applicable. Instead of that, we should give this date has 01011900 format. We should give this date, which the entry should be done like this. And the seventh point I need to mention is all entries should be done in small letters, except the spreadsheet key. Do not worry about the spreadsheet key. It comes in caps and small. The entry should be all entries should be made in small letters, that is in respective T's, database entries. And the eighth point I need to mention is in cell A1 of .eLakshya file, only the T number should be given and not the row number. And the ninth point I need to mention is uh, we should make a note of expiry date and month. If the date and month is given by the person, we should mention the date and month. If the data is not there, we should mention as 0. We should complete the entry. It indicates we should complete the entry. We should not leave just blank. And the 10th point I need to mention is don't change the date formats. You need to touch only the B1 cell of .eLakshya file, A sheet. In A sheet, only B1, that is copy paste. We should see only the B1, this one, not any other. We should not make changes pertaining to date or time in sheet A of .eLakshya file. And the 11th point is current location. Make a note of that. If the person stays in Bangalore, make sure that the current location is indicated. And the last point I need to mention is that we need not copy paste the respective entries records. Instead, we have to give the respective file spreadsheet key, so that it automatically updates, it auto pickups from that file. These are the things I need to mention, what people do in their data entry while creating .eLakshya file. Please, this is my request, don't repeat these mistakes. Thank you.